Today I'll be introducing you to the HOMAG CENTATEQ N-300 PRO Series CNC flat table nested base routers. We're bringing efficiency to the machine by placing a drill block on all of the Pro Series machines as standard. We can change drill diameters without having to go through a physical tool change on the machine. We run a 13.3 bends main spindle for sizing our parts, bringing increased speed and efficiency to the operating platform. We utilize a Pro Plus automatic matrix table system to size the vacuum concentration to that of the incoming raw board. If we went 4x8, 5x10, 5x10, 4x8, the machine will automatically see that in the program and size the automatic matrix table to be most effective for those incoming raw sheets. We've chosen to integrate as standard a very large air conditioning unit to better serve our customers who are operating in both humid and/or hot climates. Ball screw, bearings, and linear guides are all automatically lubricated through the machine control. We've really affected the longevity and the durability of the N-300 Pro Series nested base platform.